Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput. Today we are discuss about upstream and downstream processing lab and practical is production and extraction of citric acid. Some weak organic acids such as the citric acid can be found in citrus fruit. So generally we have extracted from particular citrus fruit from this synthesis or extraction for citric acid. Generally, the morphological of citric acid, production of microorganism, and the concentration of trace metals, some nutrient requirement like trace metal like manganese, phosphate, nitrogen must be specified in low limit have been positive effect on fermentation process. So this is the general process. Now we are discuss what is the material required in particular process. Microorganism used is Aspergillus niger species for particular production. So generally we are using processing in a fermenter or bioreactor for further extraction of citric acid. How to prevent the strains? The wild type of Aspergillus niger has considered in a PDA sand of 4 degrees Celsius and submerged in monthly. Carbon source are the sugar concentration of the final date extract by the product 8% to prepare in 100 gram a final rate of extract product date in a 1000 ml distilled water and put in a water bath at 100 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes and left to be cool. Thereafter, the infusion was filtered by the centrifuge, but 800 to 5000 rpm for 5 minutes. We have centrifuged this particular sources for production extraction on 8,000 to 5,000 rpm for 5 minutes. Then further estimate the sugar concentration. For PDA medium, we have sliced we can use for sliced potato, or we can be synthesized media for PTA. And further we have using fermentation condition. The fermentation media were distributed into the 250 ml conical glass in a triplet samples receiving up to 50 ml in broth medium. Then further aluminum foil before autoclave 50 minutes in at autoclaved at 121 degrees Celsius. After cooling the culture flask, inoculated in 2% of fungal spores in suspension. Then after suspension, we have adding the inoculation culture flask were incubated in a lab incubator at 30 degrees Celsius. Then further we are using an analytical method measurement of initial. We have checking a pH of particular extraction, and then further we are taking a biomass dry weight. The fungal biomass was separated from the fermented medium by the filtration. The fungal mycelium was dried overnight up to 60 to 65 Celsius using Mumbris 600 oven. And then further estimation of citric acid concentration. The described method of Pearson was used in determine amount of accumulated in citric acid. Experiment have been performed in following the effect of different pH value up to 3, 3.4, 4, 4.5 and 5.5. The influence of different nitrogen source up to NH4Cl, NH42SO4, NH4H2PO4 and peptone, urea or for citric acid production. The effect of addition of different concentration up to 0.01, 0.05 up to 0.25 of CaCl2 to the fermentation medium of citric acid production. So further we have extracted for citric acid from this particular method. This session is powered by 2.0 digital session Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you will satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please write down in comment box. Thank you.